It's another day, baby. We get to go out and enjoy this game, man.
Yes, sir.
Let's not take it for granted at all. Let's just go out here and let's do what we do, man. We ball. Let's go, man. DB's on 3. 1, 2, 3. Got y'all tuning in for a show today. We'll put one on for you.
This season, Glover Quin and the Lions defense have stolen the show, leading the NFL in takeaways through the first 4 games.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! What is... Let's go! Let's stop right here. Don't get nothing up.
Looking left, lobs end zone. It is knocked up in the air and incomplete. Intended for Kelvin Benjamin, knocked away by Glover Quin.
And it hit him in the hands, and Glover Quin was there to make sure it didn't stay anywhere near his hands.
Let's go. Another big series. Big series.
Big play for this defense coming up right here. Looks right, got all day back there. Rolling left, low, throws back to the end zone. It is caught. Funch's touchdown.
Let's go, O. Let's go, O. Let's get 7.
From the 3. Matthews got it. Rolls to his right. Wants to throw it. Looking for somewhere to go. Throws, end zone, caught, touchdown. This defense has bailed them out all year long. Can they do it again?
At some point, you got to pull the trigger and go make a play. Eyes, baby, eyes. Let's go. Third down. Third down, let's get up.
The Lions can only stop it now at the 2-minute warning. Everybody's standing at Ford Field. 3rd and 9. Newton's got it. Straight drop throws. Caught. First down. They convert on 3rd and 9. And this one will be over.
What's good, baby?
What's up with it, baby?
I'm chilling, man. How you?
Good, man. I need that jersey, man. Send that bit to me.
I'm gonna send it to you. All right. Man, you done got bigger all over up, man. Dang.
I seen you, man, for like 4 years.
Heck yeah. Luke. What's up, again?
What's up, buddy? How are you, man?
You like this shirt, right? You too, man. Stay healthy.